Welcome back, guys. Let's recap the day trading gains. Today we made $1,205, $600 on Microsoft, $300 on AVGO, $255 on Amazon, tallying up to be $1,200. This month is a strong month of day trading. We were up $13,764. Our big winner is AVGO, Google behind at $2,200. And if you look at year to date, we are up $37,000 on the year. Netflix, our big winner at $14K, Google $2,200, AVGO around $11,000. So taking a look at our previous performance here, year to date, we were up 8%. Now that is just from January 1st to March 10th. That is beautiful. Looking at the last year, we were up 72%. And now if you look at the last 3-year performance, you can see we're up 140% in the last 3 years. So it's been excellent day trading so far. We just got to stay disciplined through the process. Now, I just want to go through some stocks that I have made good gains on this year. Let's review it. AVGO stock was a big one. We've made over $11,000 on them. I just want to recap. We day traded the earnings on them when they broke through this $322 level. For me, this was a very easy momentum play. You had clear resistance forming right here where it was rejecting 322, and then earnings right in this point we broke through. And for me, after we broke that level, it was very easy to day trade this level. What I was doing after we broke 322 was playing the dips back to 322 right there. We rose back up to about 340, pulled back in these areas around 324. We found support multiple times that we were able to make these trades, and we were able to run that up, which was nice. Looking at Netflix, we had a very similar story. If you look at Netflix on the past 6-month chart, it sold off and resistance was around $92 per share. We bought when it finally broke through this resistance point. This was a major level of support that broke. When it finally retested it right here, let's zoom in on it now. Looking at the previous month, this is where it broke through, and then we retested this level and then went higher. So we traded this up, saw that it went up to $96 per share, retested back to the $90, and then rode it back up to make $14,000 on this trade. There are a lot of good trades that we have made, but Netflix and AVGO are the big ones. Now, stocks I think that you should be watching should be Amazon. Amazon, we have been watching this $211 level, and it is still holding. If you go back on the 6-month chart, you can see clearly that there is a multi-month support here that eventually was broken. So right here, you had $210 holding the line in August. In August, we had this $210 holding support here, support there. Now we are entering a critical zone where we broke through the support down to 196, struggled to get above it. If you look right here, take a look at this level, resistance, 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 and now what is happening? It is turning into support at this level. We need to watch this closely. Very easy to have a clear trade plan on this where your stop loss could be below 207, and then your gain potential on this could be much higher if you are able to hold this position back to $242. This is definitely a trade that I will be watching. If you are new to my channel, definitely check out right here, Trading Simplified, Trade Smarter, join our community on WAP. You can do that by clicking the link below right here. If you want to see how I made over $103,000 day trading 2025 and how I lost 25 grand, it's right here as well. You can click on that video. Thank you, members, for supporting the channel. If you're a member, you gain access to members-only videos like my weekly recap for my portfolio, my buys and sells that I'm doing, and also if you join the WAP, you will gain exclusive access to discuss with us as a community as well. And if you're looking for free entertainment here, you can go on my dip buying strategy, EMA, my 9 and 21 EMA, and much more. And if you want more ETFs and index funds, definitely be sure to check out the popular videos page. This is all on the tab YouTube channel for free for you. So definitely be sure to check it out and click on the WAP.